Verb to be in past simple. I was, you were, he, she, it was. We were, they were. Verb to be in present perfect. I have been, you have been, he, she, it has been. We have been, they have been. Verb to have in past simple. I had, you had, he, she, it had. We had, they had. Verb to have in present perfect. I have had, you have had, he, she, it has had. We have had, they have had. Verb to begin in past simple. I began, you began, he, she, it began, we began, they began. Verb to begin in present perfect. I have begun, you have begun, he, she, it has begun. We have begun, they have begun. Let's go to the next verb. Verb to break in past simple. I block, you block, he, she, it block, we block, they block. Verb to break ni kumena. Verb to break in present perfect. I have broken, you have broken, he, she, it has broken, we have broken, they have broken. Verb to bring in past simple. I brought, you brought, he, she, it brought, we brought, they brought. Verb to bring in present perfect. I have brought, you have brought, he, she, it has brought, we have brought, they have brought. Verb to buy in past simple. I bought, you bought, he, she, it bought, we bought, they bought. Verb to buy in present perfect. I have bought, you have bought, he, she, it has bought, we have bought, they have bought. Verb to come in past simple. I came, you came, he, she, it came, we came, they came. Verb to come in present perfect. I have come, you have come, he, she, it has come, we have come, they have come. Verb to do in past simple. I did, you did, he, she, it did, we did, they did. Verb to do in present perfect. I have done, you have done, he, she, it has done, we have done, they have done. Verb to drink in past simple. I drank, you drank, he, she, it drank, we drank, they drank. Verb to drink in present perfect. I have drunk, you have drunk, he, she, it has drunk, we have drunk, they have drunk. Verb to drive in past simple. I drove, you drove, he, she, it has drove, we drove, they drove. Verb to drive in present perfect. I have driven, you have driven, he, she, it has driven, we have driven, they have driven. Verb to eat in past simple. I ate, you ate, he, she, it ate, we ate, they ate. Verb to eat in present perfect. I have eaten, you have eaten, he, she, it has eaten, we have eaten, they have eaten. Verb to get in past simple. I got, you got, he, she, it got, we got, they got. Verb to get in present perfect. I have got, you have got, he, she, it has got, we have got, they have got. Verb to give in past simple. I gave, you gave, he, she, it gave, we gave, they gave. Present perfect. I have given, you have given, he, she, it has given, we have given, they have given. Verb to go in past simple. I went, you went, he, she, it went, we went, they went. Present perfect. I have gone, you have gone, he, she, it has gone, we have gone, they have gone. Verb to choose in past simple. I chose, you chose, he, she, it chose, we chose, they chose. Verb to choose in present perfect. I have chosen, you have chosen, he, she, it has chosen, we have chosen, they have chosen. Verb to cut in past simple. I cut, you cut, he, she, it cut, we cut, they cut. Mbibutse yuko verb to cut ntijya ihinduka abe muri past simple, muri present perfect hose ikomeza kuba cut. Verb to cut in present perfect. I have cut, you have cut, he, she, it has cut, we have cut, they have cut. Verb to fall in past simple. I fell, you fell, he, she, it fell, we fell, they fell. Verb to fall in present perfect. I have fallen, you have fallen, he, she, it has fallen, we have fallen, they have fallen. Verb to feel in past simple. I felt, you felt, he, she, it felt, we felt, they felt. Verb to feel in present perfect. I have feet, you have feet, he, she, it has feet, we have feet, they have feet. Verb to find in past simple. I found, you found, he, she, it found, we found, they found. Verb to find in present perfect. I have found, you have found, he, she, it has found, we have found, they have found. Verb to forget in past simple. I forgot, you forgot, he, she, it forgot, we forgot, they forgot. Verb to forget in present perfect. I have forgotten, you have forgotten, he, she, it has forgotten, we have forgotten, they have forgotten. Verb to hear in past simple. I heard, you heard, he, she, it heard, we heard, they heard. Verb to hear in present perfect. I have heard, you have heard, he, she, it has heard, we have heard, they have heard. Ntabwo ari ukuvuga mfite umutwe, no. Past ndetse na past participle by'inshinga to hear dusoma heard, heard. Verb to hold in past simple. I heard, you heard, he, she, it heard, we heard, they heard. Verb to hold in present perfect. I have heard, you have heard, he, she, it has heard, we have heard, they have heard. To hold means gufata. Verb to keep in past simple. I kept, you kept, he, she, it kept, we kept, they kept. Verb to keep in present perfect. I have kept, you have kept, he, she, it has kept, we have kept, they have kept. Verb to leave in past simple. I left, you left, he, she, it left, we left, they left. Present perfect. I have left, you have left, he, she, it has left, we have left, they have left. Verb to blow in past simple. I blew, you blew, he, she, it blew, we blew, they blew. To blow bivuga guhuha. Verb to blow in present perfect. I have blown, you have blown, he, she, it has blown, we have blown, they have blown. Verb to catch in past simple. To catch ni ugufata. I caught, you caught, he, she, it caught, we caught, they caught. Verb to catch in present perfect. I have caught, you have caught, he, she, it has caught, we have caught, they have caught. Verb to cost in past simple. I cost, you cost, he, she, it cost, we cost, they cost. Mbibutse yuko verb to cost nayo ntijya ihinduka nka verb to cut. Present perfect. I have cost, you have cost, he, she, it has cost, we have cost, they have cost. Verb to draw in past simple. I drew, you drew, he, she, it drew, we drew, they drew. Verb to draw in present perfect. I have drawn, you have drawn, he, she, it has drawn, we have drawn, they have drawn. Verb to fly in past simple. I flew, you flew, he, she, it flew, we flew, they flew. Verb to fly ni kuguruka. Verb to fly in present perfect. I have flown, you have flown, he, she, it has flown, we have flown, they have flown. Verb to freeze in past simple. To freeze ni ugukonjesha. I froze, you froze, he, she, it froze, we froze, they froze. Verb to freeze in present perfect. I have frozen, you have frozen, he, she, it has frozen, we have frozen, they have frozen. Verb to grow in past simple, akenshi dukunda gukoresha verb to grow twongeyeho akajambo up. Tuvuga to grow up. I grew up, you grew up, he grew up, he, she, it grew up, we grew up, they grew up. Verb to grow in present perfect, I have grown, you have grown, he, she, it has grown, we have grown, they have grown. Cyangwa se ukavuga I have grown up, ugakomeza paka usoje. Verb to hide in past simple, I hid, you hid, he, she, it hid, we hid, they hid. Verb to hide in present perfect, I have hidden, ntago tuvuga hidden. We don't say hidden, we just say I have hidden. You have hidden, he, she, it has hidden, we have hidden, they have hidden. We don't say hidden, we just say hidden, hidden. Verb to hit in past simple, I hit, you hit, he, she, it hit, we hit, they hit. Ni ukuvuga iyi nshinga nayo imeze nka to cut cyangwa se to cost, nayo ntijya ihinduka. Present perfect, I have hit, you have hit, he, she, it has hit, we have hit, they have hit. Verb to lead in past simple, to lead ivuga kuyobora. I led, you led, he, she, it led, we led, they led. Verb to lead in present perfect, I have led, you have led, he, she, it has led, we have led, they have led. Verb to lend in past simple, I lent, you lent, he, she, it lent, we lent, they lent. Verb to lend in present perfect, I have lent, you have lent, he, she, it has lent, we have lent, they have lent. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.